So my husband just got this magnetic toolbar and I wanted to show you what it looks like. It's going to be so nice when he gets it hung up because it's easier to find the tools instead of just digging through his toolbox. And the really neat thing, if I can show you on the back side, I don't know if you can see, but these are all heavy duty magnets that are in here. But then on the front side, it just looks like this nice, pretty black bar that you can hang up in your garage or wherever you want to put it. But this magnet is super strong. I mean, you can, like, I have to force that off of there. So the grip on it is very good. As you can tell here, he's got like wrenches at this end. And when I like shake it, it doesn't move. They're heavy duty stuck on here. This bar is 24 inches long. And then on the back, you can see it's got where the screws come with it. And it's got one on each end to hang it, so it's very firm to hang up. But the best thing about it is you just makes it easier to find your tools. So you could put just a bunch of wrenches, you could put all your screwdrivers, your pliers, whatever you want on there. But this is what for now, but I'm sure he's gonna add stuff and get more. But we really like it, and I just thought I'd show you if you were thinking about getting one, or ladies, if you're looking for a Christmas idea, this would be the perfect gift.